Most people get this wrong. They compare Bingo Cash and Blackout Bingo by looking at advertisements, instead of how the apps actually work. But here's the truth no one tells you. The app that pays more depends less on the app itself and more on your skill level, game selection, and how you manage your entries. In this video, we'll compare Bingo Cash and Blackout Bingo in 2026. You'll learn how each platform works, which one may be better for different types of players, and the biggest factor that determines your actual earnings. Let's start with the short answer. Neither app guarantees higher earnings for every player. Both are skill-based bingo platforms, where performance affects results. That means two players using the same app can have completely different outcomes. Now here's where it gets interesting. Bingo Cash is often praised for its simple interface and beginner-friendly experience. New players can usually learn the gameplay quickly and start competing without a steep learning curve. Blackout Bingo, on the other hand, is known for its fast-paced gameplay and competitive environment. Some experienced players enjoy the extra challenge because it rewards quick decision-making and strong focus. But here's the problem. Many people assume that more competition automatically means bigger profits. This is where most people fail. Take Alex and Jake as an example. Alex chooses games that match his skill level and gradually improves. Jake jumps into highly competitive matches hoping for larger rewards. Even if the prize pools look attractive, Jake may struggle if he's facing stronger opponents. In a minute, I'll show you the biggest question you should ask before choosing either app. First, let's talk about payouts. Both platforms generally allow eligible users to compete for cash prizes where available. However, prize amounts can vary based on tournament type, entry fees, player pool size, promotions, and regional availability. Because these factors change over time, there is no fixed answer to which app pays more every day or every week. Now, here's the key question. Which app gives you the best chance to perform well? If you're new to competitive bingo games, you may prefer a platform that feels easier to learn and navigate. If you're already comfortable with fast-paced gameplay, you may enjoy a more competitive environment. This small decision can have a bigger impact on your results than the actual prize structure. Another important point is understanding fees, withdrawal requirements, and eligibility rules before spending money. Many players overlook these details and focus only on potential rewards. So, which pays more in 2026? The honest answer is that both apps can offer opportunities for eligible players, but your skill, consistency, and game selection matter more than the platform name itself. The best choice is the one that matches your experience level and playing style. If you found this comparison helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest app reviews and comparisons, and leave a comment telling us which app you prefer and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.